Today I'm taking on the challenge of keeping you hooked on my videos from start to finish. Can I hold your attention for the entire ride? If you want to know more, you know what to do. Stick around. Tonight's sponsor is Completely You Jewelry, where your independent consultant is Terry Donald. Now I'll have the link to all her information down below, and when you go, tell her Stephanie sent you. Hello everyone, I am Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, YouTube tips and more, where I try to make YouTube a little bit easier for the beginner and the more seasoned YouTuber. And today we're continuing on with my series, Do You Want Bingeable Videos? Today's topic that we're talking about is keep viewers glued to your videos. So let's hop in and learn more. Creating compelling video content that keeps viewers engaged from start to finish is both an art and a science. In today's fast-paced digital landscape where distractions abound and attention spans are shrinking, mastering the ability to hold your audience interest is crucial for the success of your video. I have some proven strategies to ensure your videos remain captivating and keep them coming back for more. The foundation of engaging your videos begins with who your audience is and what their interests are and what problems do they want to solve. Understanding these key elements allows you to tailor your content in a way that resonates deeply with them. Building a clear profile of your audience involves gathering demographic data, understanding their preferences, and identifying their pain points. Tools such as YouTube analytics, surveys, or social media insights can help you refine this understanding. Use visuals, tones, and language to align with your audience, culture, and preferences. For example, young viewers may respond better to quick edits and vibrant visuals, while professionals might prefer polished and informative content. The first few seconds of your videos are crucial. If you fail to grab your audience's attention immediately, they might click away before the story unfolds. Open your videos with a question, surprising facts, or a bold statement. For example, did you know that most people only retain 20% of what they watch? Hooks curiosity and invites the viewer to learn more. Clearly outline what viewers can expect from your video right at the beginning. A statement like, in this video, you'll discover the 5 secrets to keeping your audience engaged. This sets expectations and encourages the viewers to stay tuned. Keep your video lively and well-paced can prevent viewer boredom. Balance the speed of your delivery and engaging content transitions to cater to various attention spans. Minimize pauses, smooth transitions, and concise segments make your video more watchable. Add elements like jump cuts, text overlays, and quick visual shift to maintain momentum. People are naturally drawn to stories. Structure your videos with a narrative arc, beginning, the middle, and the end. That holds viewers' attention and guides them through your content seamlessly. The combination of captivating visual and excellent audio quality can elevate your videos and make them more appealing. Invest in visual stimulation elements such as animations and infographics and cinematography. Vibrant visuals can reinforce your message and add an extra layer of engagement. Clear and professional audio is important as visuals. Poor quality sound can drive viewers away even if your visuals are stunning. Add background music or sound effects for depth, but ensure that they don't overshadow your voice. An interactive experience can make your audience attentive and involved. Pose questions intermittently to encourage viewers to think critical or engage with your content. For instance, what do you think is the most effective way to retain the audience? This invites participation and reflection. Prompt viewers to like, comment, or share during your video. Use engaging phrases like, "Let me know your thoughts below," or "Don't forget to hit that subscribe button." While it's important to provide valuable content, videos that are too long may lose viewers' interest. Shorter videos tend to appeal to audience with limited time, where the longer videos can dive into topics for dedicated viewers. Experiment with video lengths to find out what works best for your audience. Use analytics to determine the viewer's drop-off points and adjust accordingly. For longer videos, divide the content into sections or provide visual breaks to give your viewers a moment to process the information without feeling overwhelmed. Familiarity builds trust and loyalty. Your video content should consistently reflect your brand's identity, tone, and message. Use consistent colors, fonts, and logos. A signature look allows viewers to instantly recognize your content and build a sense of connection. Posting content regularly keeps your audience engaged and anticipating your next video. Consistency in upload helps build a loyal subscriber base. The best creators don't settle. Consistently analyze your videos and seek improvement. You know that 1% improvement each video? That's what I do. Ask your audience for feedbacks. Comments and suggestions can provide valuable insight into what works and what needs to be refined. Use analytics tools to measure retention rates, likes, shares, and comments. Identify patterns and adjust your strategy to maximize engagement. Keeping viewers glued to your video requires a blend of creativity, technical skills, and a deep understanding of your audience. By employing intriguing hooks, dynamic pacing, high-quality visuals, interactive elements, and consistent branding, you can transform casual views into loyal fans who eagerly await your next masterpiece. Remember, success doesn't come overnight. Continue to test, learn, and innovate, and your efforts will surely yield results. Now, if you have any other tips that you would like to share to be helpful to other creators, please share them in the comment section below. You know I enjoy reading your comments. Now, if you're interested in learning more about what makes a bingeable video, check out the other videos in this series. The links will be below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, and hit that subscribe button and notification button so you'll know each time I upload something new. Also, I would love for you to follow me on my social media accounts. They will be listed in the description box. Thank you for watching, and let's jump off of here and jump into the chat.